Hello, everybody. It's 1:06 a.m. on Tuesday, December 10th. Good day to y'all. 46 Blitz 8 here for 643boxbreaks.com. World-class group-breaking site and card collecting community. Check it out if you haven't already. 643boxbreaks.com. And we'll show you how we can stretch your hard-earned box-breaking dollar a little bit further with all the bonuses we offer with our breaks at 643boxbreaks.com. Alright, so this is part 6 of my 12-13 certified case series. So I had a sealed case of 8 certified boxes. This is box 8, this is box 6, or part 6 from that case. And this is a case series with a prize at the end. It is a box of Panini Prime Hockey. It is going to be a two-team 15 slot, 2-round draft. Everybody gets 2 teams. Draft order will be determined by my big hit bonus. My Biggins big hit bonus. All the hits out of these boxes score points. Whoever has the most points after the break wins first pick overall in that bonus break of Prime. Yeah, sold out real quick. I think it was under 3 minutes and sold out. So here's the roster for part 6. The hot box for this case is still in play. This could be the hot box. It's a 1 in 3 chance. All hot box cards, including the base, score points. So that's the one you want to get. This may be that one. We don't know. We'll find out in a sec. So this is a YouTube reference number 274. Part 6 of 8. Bummer Boy, you have the Predators, Wild, Stars, Flames, Capitals, Leafs, Bruins, and the Oil. DJ Nell's Mom, you have the Sharks, Canadians, Kings, Blackhawks, Senators, Flyers, Rangers, and the Devils. Downtown. My wife likes to watch Downton Abbey, so I gotta be careful what I say there. Lightning, Islanders, and Canucks are yours. Felix Victoria, you have the Coyotes. Golf Nut, GN 57 or 57s. You have the Penguins, Panthers, Jackets, Hurricanes, Ducks, and the Avs. J-Rob, you have the Jets and Sabres. Peanut, you have the Red Wings, and Skeet 93, you have the St. Louis Blues. All right, so with this break, there's a couple bonuses. First off, there is my 6-pack bonus. For every 6 teams that you buy, you get a free slot in a 11-12 titanium bonus break. The 6-pack bonus break. So we have 3 people that want slots for that. We have Bummer Boy, DJ Nell's Mommy, and Golf Nut 57s. You have all won a slot in that 11-12 titanium bonus break. There is a second bonus. Whatever team has got the most points out of this individual box, not the entire thing, but just in this individual box, will win a free team refund. So they will play for free. And of course, the big bonus is the Biggins big hit bonus, where you score points. Yeah. So there's a 1 in 3 chance of being in the hot box. We'll determine that in a second. So this serial number for this is 755 as listed. For the camcorder, here's a serial. A little bit here. 755. For the live feed and my XSplit video. There we go. Still sealed, ready to break. Good luck. What I'll do is I'll do a quick scoring as I go. Scoring in the live breaks, live scoring with the breaks is unofficial, just in case I make a mistake in the heat of the moment. And the empty box. And my points legend and my rookie list for 2013, 12-13. Okay, good luck to y'all. Oh, this one looks really thick, but it's just full of air. And the hot box, it is not the hot box. So it is a 1 in 2 chance now. The part 7 or 8 is the hot box. So we get a couple of base cards here. Louis Eriksson, St. Louis, and we have a Path to the Cup. Patrick Kane and Shane Doan, the Blackhawks and Coyotes. And they are owned by Blackhawks is DJ Nell's Mommy, and Phoenix is owned by Felix Victoria, so that will have to be randomed. I'll do that at the end, just in case there's more than one of these things. All the points go to the winner of that card. They're not split as in this, in the past. 7 and 8 Friday, Saturday. Yes, yes, sir. Oh, we got a patch. Oh, baby, we got a patch. And this is why we call it the Biggins Big Hit Bonus. The bigger the hit, the more points you get. Okay, we got Arnott, Brennan Smith, Shea Weber, and we have a Fabric of the Game for the Vancouver Canucks. Vancouver is property of Downtown. You have an Alexander Edler Gold Prime, number 21 of 25. 21 of 25. There's your Nuck. So let's score this bad boy up. We have 1 point for the hit. We have 5 points. 2, 3, 4, 5 for the short print of 25 or less. 2 points for the prime jersey. 1, 2. So that would be an 8-point card for Vancouver in Downtown. Congratulations. Nice hit. Pulled one of those primes last box, I think. Very good. All right, next up we have a Jaguar, Smith, Kovalchuk, the Trader. All base, and 2 more base. That's their one of the 2 all base packs. This one's exceptionally thin. There's no spacer on this one. What have we here? We have all base, Miami, Kane, Carlson on the front, Bork, and Getzlaff, all base. There's no certified this year. It has been canceled in favor of Prism, I guess. It's a Panini fail there. Gustafsson, Hall, and we have a Mirror Red. It is my captain, Dion Phaneuf, for the Leafs. And Toronto is property of Bumberboy. This one's numbered 34 of 199. So that'll score 1 point for the hit, and short printed of 199 or less is worth 2. That is a 3-point card for Toronto. Dion Phaneuf, Mirror Red. Out of 199. Yeah, they kind of cut Certified and cut Pinnacle, kind of put them both together, I think, to make the Prism. I don't know what they're doing with the. I don't know how Panini plans to get any brand loyalty if they kill the brands after a year or a couple of years. Ben base, Malkin base, Giroux base, and oh, we got a rookie. We got a die cut rookie. Oh, for the Dallas Stars, I have for you. This is Riley Smith, the Dallas Stars, and this is Bummer Boy. Congratulations. This is numbered 336 out of 499. Rookie die cut. That's a nice. And who's this dude again? Riley Smith. Riley Smith is not a first-round draft pick. He's picked 69th, so I guess it would be a third-rounder. All right, let's score this sucker up. We have 1 point for the hit. 3 points for the sticker autograph. A number to 499, so 500 less is worth 1 point, so it's 5 points total. Jersey piece is worth a point, and it's a jumbo jersey because it's bigger than a beer cap. As per the rules. Additional point, that is a 7-point card for Dallas and Bummer Boy. Congratulations. He's in Boston now. Sent him packing, did they? Oh, is he part of the Seguin trade? Base. We have a Mass Marvels of the Boston Bruins. It is Timmy Thomas out of 999. Timmy Thomas, Boston is property of Bummer Boys. So this will be a 1.5 point card. 1 point for the hit and a half a point for the 9.99 short print. 1.5 for Boston. Another exceptionally thin pack. We've had both our base packs, so what have we here? This is another all base pack, which will stink. Base, nope, another autograph. And the autograph is for the Detroit Red Wings. Sorry about the slip there. We have a certified signatures. It is Corey Emerton for the Detroit Red Wings, and that is Peanut. So this will be a 3-point card. Emerton isn't a rookie this year, is he? No. These are unnumbered, so this would be a 4-point card. 1 point for the hit and 3 points for the sticker autograph. 4 total for Detroit and Peanut. Good, 2 autographs in this box. Pretty good for certified. All right. I think we'll do one more jersey card. Or better. Base. And 2 more base. Last pack. Base, and we have a Fabric of the Game in here. Base for the San Jose Sharks. I have for you Brent Burns out of $2.99. San Jose is property of DJ Nell's mommy. So this would be, I think it's your 3.5 point cards. 1 point for the hit, 1 point for the jersey, 1, 2, and short print of $2.99 or less is worth a 1.5. So it's a 3.5 point card for San Jose and DJ Nell's mommy. So she's on the board with her 8 teams. All right, there you go. Okay, so that is the break. Let's do the random for this. Path of the Cup card. This is going to score. This is going to score 2 points for either Chicago or Phoenix. And we have my NHL team deck and Honest Ed. So I shuffle, cut. Whoever start drawing off the top, whatever comes up first, Chicago or Phoenix, wins that card. So with that 8-point Vancouver Canucks prime jersey of Edler, Vancouver wins the refund for the mini Biggins bonus. So you get a refund for Vancouver downtown. And we have our 3 6-pack winners as well. And let's see who gets this random. Chicago or Phoenix, whatever pops up first. Phoenix Coyotes it is. That is Felix Autoria. 2 points for you for that Path of the Cup card at a $3.99. There you go. Phoenix and Chicago is in here somewhere. Where are they? There he is. Okay, so that is the break. I thank you all for your support of 643boxbreaks.com. Hope you're enjoying this case series, and the hot box is still in play, so it's a 50-50 chance of Pirate Box 7, Box 7, or 8. One of those 2 boxes is the hot box. Every card in that box scores points. Base cards will score a point. All hot box hits score an additional bonus point. So that's which box is it? I guess we're going to find out soon. Thank you all for your support, guys. 46 Blitz signing off. Keep your stick on the ice, to quote the great Red Green. Bye-bye.